This is where photographers struggle because they struggle to translate their art into business terms. They say, okay, well, you know, I shoot in this resolution. These are the types of photos. My photos have been shown here. They talk about maybe some of the clients they've worked with. You no longer have this excuse. You have to start understanding how to translate the work that you do, the art that you produce, the creative assets that you are making with your camera, with your mind, with your art school, photography education. Maybe you don't have an education, that's fine too. Some photographers are self-taught. And you have to figure out, how can I translate this into business terms so that the people that don't know anything about art and photography and color theory can understand it and make them understand it and how it applies to their business and their potential business outcomes that they're trying to reach. That's the translation you need to make from art to your clients to their business. I should diagram it, but that's the translation you are trying to make. Once we understand how to make this translation, this is how you can raise your prices. I have helped clients earn $100,000 per month. I've done that with video production, content, Instagram, Facebook. I've helped clients earn $100,000 a month. I've helped clients earn over 4.5 million views on a video campaign, and which led to tons of traffic to their blog, to their travel website, because you must translate your value. I didn't say anything in these two examples about the resolution, what camera I shot on, how I shot it, what software I edited on. When clients see this kind of stuff, that's what they want to hear. That's what they want to go, oh, okay, shit, okay, damn. That's what I want. How do we get this guy? Let me hire this guy, get him on a project, because I want that. And I want that. It is entirely wrong. I would say that it's wrong to say we're dumbing this down, or we're taking your highfalutin art and we are compressing it down into just some kind of business box that, you know, that can fit inside an Excel spreadsheet square grid. That's not what we're doing. We're taking the art, and how do we translate this into something that can really expand the value of a business, that can really expand the value to your, not just your clients, but your clients' clients, the clients and the customers of the person that you're working with.